Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about camera setting Redmi 10 phone, and today I'm going to tell about guys how to on time watermark in Redmi 10 phone camera setting. Is how can you on time watermark. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos friends. So let's start video guys. First of all, open your camera. So guys, there is no any watermark setting. So guys, what will you have to do guys, you can see this three lines. So guys, click here and setting option guys, click here. So guys, first you can see watermark. So guys, on add time stamp on photo guys, so on it and let's see guys, and you will take photo. Example for guys, I am taking this my phone box photo. So guys, now you can see time and date 19/4/2022 13:50. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. I think you have understood how to on time watermark and date watermark in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.